welcome back to CodeSpeak Labs. My name is Lorena, and today we will learn how to do an animation video on a platform called Canva. Not only can these animated videos be used for a business purpose, you can also create animated videos to entertain children. For example, for me, since sometimes I take care of my niece, my nephews, and sometimes my cousins, like this will come handy in the future, and I can create a video with like pictures. So with these animated videos, there's a lot of purposes you can use them for. For example, like I said, to entertain children, or you can just create one to post on a website or a social media platform to let people know what your business is about. And with Canva, there's a lot of tools you can use, and so that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be creating an animated video, so let's go. So you're going to search up canva.com, or you can also just search up Canva. And then it's going to be the first link. And it should bring you to something like this. So you're going to click sign up, and you're going to, something like this will pop up, and you can sign up with an email with Google or with your personal email, or you can ask a parent to help you out. So I already have mine, so I just need to log in. So you're gonna sign in to something like this, and we're gonna work on an animation today. So you're going to click on social media, and then all these things are gonna pop out, but we're gonna click on animated social media, and we're gonna create an animated video with and so we're trying to get say you're trying to get a child's attention. So just a quick brief. So seconds is how many seconds each slide, I guess you can say, is going to be, and then up here, this is how long the video is. So you can use there's different templates. You can use photos, their elements, which are just different stickers, GIFs, all that, and then the text, which is what we're going to be using today. So you're just gonna have a blank page, and then we're gonna choose a cool font that you want to use, and I think I'm going to use Play. And then so the font and then the word that is on the thing is going to pop up, but you're just gonna double click, and you're just gonna put a letter in. So what I'm going to put in my animated video is just welcome, just to keep it brief and simple. So you're just gonna put one letter, well, not one letter at a time, but as you add more slides, the letters add up. So it's gonna make sense once I'm showing you what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna leave it like that, and you can put, I guess, a background, so you can change. We can put black. We're gonna put black, and then in the top right corner of the page, you're gonna see this thing with the plus size, and it's just to add a page. So you're gonna add a page, and then since you already put a black background, I guess it's gonna duplicate, but nothing, no font, no letters are gonna show up. So you're just gonna click on the font again, double click, and then just add another letter, and we're just gonna keep doing the same. So again, click, double click, add a letter, and then again, and then again. So then, as you can see, not all of them fit in one row, so you are going to have to change the sizing of the letters the more letters that you add, so until they can all fit. And then again, and you're just gonna keep doing this until like the word you want, or the word you want is fully on one page only, like it's complete. So I just need to finish mine. And just and then you just don't click on the font, you just click on the background or the page, and then here it says 5, so that's going to be how long, but if we put 5 for each slide, that's just going to be like take forever, so we're just going to put like 1.5 seconds for one, click done, and we're just going to do this for all the other ones. Just make sure each have the same timing. So I guess like on the last one we have everything. I guess I can just put like a bit more seconds. Just go to 2. So then here where it says 12, you're just gonna click on that. Let's just see this. There you go, see? Okay, so yeah, so you just go to cloud, to music, and then just drag it down here, and then just click, and as you saw, like it works with the videos. So yeah, that's how it looks at the end with music. And make sure you again click the ones that don't have the crown, because if you choose the ones with the crown, you have to pay. So yeah, just make sure you use like ones that say free. So that's all for today, folks. Today we learned how to create an animated video using Canva with the different tools that it allows us to use, and now you can go use that at your advantage. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Bye.